Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everyone. My name is Norzulna Sharamtiskifli. I would like to talk about the introduction of our mini project. Firstly, about the overview. New Gen Flask is a new generation flask bottle that can be used as a typical flask that's sold in the market. However, this newly invented flask has more function than the normal one. The idea for this multiple different function added was inspired by the problem faced by the student in their hostel. The problem that faced by the student is have to walk far to pantry just to boil a water. Second, hot drink easily get cold after some time. And lastly, unexpected problem while making drinks. The objective of our mini project are to design a product that is portable and accessible by many. Secondly, to stir the drinks without the use of spoon and causing spillage. Third, to have extra space to keep things like coins or banknote in the flask pocket in case of an emergency. And lastly, to save the energy of stirring the drink, heating up drinks, and charging phones from different sources. Our scope are mainly focused on UniMAP students because students are most likely to drink tea or coffee or something hot that just to make them awake. The scope of study also focuses on the factors and effects in using flasks that have various functions and advantages in their daily life as a student. Next is motivation for design. We have come out with an idea to make one product with a multiple function. The key reason of inventing New Gen Flask as product design is to achieve specific sustainable development goals, which is affordable and provides clean energy, which ensure our product is affordable, reliable, sustainable, and uses modern energy. This product can make our life easier because we have created a product that combines with the function, which is boiler, pocket, power bank, and also stirrer that make students can use it in a one go. Lastly, the evidence of related patent search. A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention, which is a product or a process that provides, in general, a new way of doing something or offer a new technical solution to a problem. These are the three products that will be invented into our mini project. Those product functions remain the same as we just change the physical such as sizes and also specification. That's all for me. Thank you.
Hello, Doctor. I'm Melissa, and here is my matrix number. I'll be presenting Chapter 2, the need analysis. We understand that an analysis is needed in order to understand the current trend and the objectives of our idea. Market survey is a survey research and market analysis for a particular product that covers research on customer preferences. Since we decided to come up with the idea of New Gen Flask, we did market survey on the current flask, which is Wonder Thermal Coffee Airport, Thermal Stainless King Flask, and as well Flask. As we can see, they all differ in their size, weight, material, and their capacity, but they all share the same function of keeping the liquid cold or hot. We also did a survey analysis using a Google form, which the first part is the demographic profile, which we understand that most of them were students, undergraduate, and 80% of them were females. Second part was multiple choice questions. These questions were asked to understand the respondents' current flask usage and needs. By asking this, we can understand the improvisation that we can add in our design. Third is the open-ended questions. By asking open-ended questions, we can understand the respondents' honest review and their suggestions. By asking these questions, we understand the kind of need and improvisation that they need in a design. Lastly is the Likert scale questions. This to determine the importance of the new Gen Flask features. As we can see that most of them wanted the flask to be portable, durable, and they want multiple color, and mainly that they want them to save current and water by heating up the right amount of water, and they want more speed for the stirrer to mix their drinks. Lastly, by doing this market survey, we understand the market's preferences and their needs for our design. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ami Ashraf bin Karo Anwar, number metric 201112411. In this video, I'll be explaining about componentry design specification. First, we have house of quality or HOQ. The left side of HOQ listed customer requirement derived from the market survey, while the top that includes ceiling and roof has stated the engineering characteristic based on customer requirement with their direction and unique improvement. The center of HOQ is the relationship metric that shows relationship of the customer requirement and engineering characteristic. The right side of HOQ is competitive assessment that display competitive product rank with respect to the customer requirement listed. The ranking order specific at the bottom of HOQ is calculated based on the weight factor and ranking in the relationship metric. And based on the calculation, we can see the rank order of each engineering characteristic. Next, we have product specification. In this part, we have 8 specifications that we have to consider. First is about product identification. You can see the product name, New Gen Flask, basic function, and special feature in this new Gen Flask. Second is about market identification. You can see the target market for this product, anticipated market demand and competing product. Third, we have key project deadline. We estimate that this product will be ready on June 20, 2021. Next, we have physical description. In the table below, you can see the physical description in the new Gen Flask. Fifth, we have financial requirement, that is pricing policy and warranty policy. 6 is life cycle target. You can refer the report for the detailed explanation. 7 is social, political and legal requirement. And 8 is manufacturing specification. Thank you.
I will discuss about the concept generation for our design product, the goal and the constraint for this project. For this project, we focus on flasks that have various type portable function, which is the design should optimize the power generated by the power bank and provide thermal energy to heat the water and also can charge the phone. Besides, the design also have a space to store a small items such as money and identity card. And the constraint for this project is committed design cost to build a low-cost device with sufficient electrical power. Now, let's move to functional decomposition. In this slide, it shows the diagram of functional decomposition for our product design, which is a new Gen Flask. For our product design, it have a 4 function, which is to heat a water and to stir. For a new Gen Flask also are designed to have a pocket to store a small thing and also can use as a power bank. For morphological chart, it have a 4 concept of solution and every concept have a different flask size. Next, heating element for concept 1, it is use a single turns coil, and concept 2 use pancake coil, and concept 3 it use cartridge heater, and concept 4 it use twin single turns coil. For power bank, it also have a different shape and power for each component such as rectangular, cylinder and circular shape. The mixer for the concept 2, it use a battery power mixer, and for concept 4, it use wiring disc. Lastly, for pocket design, it's designed with different function. For example, concept 1, the design is used to keep pill and amphetamine, and for this concept 4, it designed to keep card and bank note.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Muhammad Kamal Hakim Rusli and my metric number is 2011-10790. Today I want to present about part 2 of chapter 4, which is concept generation. Let's go to the 4.3, physics of design idea. Our product has 3 main features, which are power bank, stereo and heater. All of the features has their own function to make our product more useful compared to the ones at the market right now. For the 4.4 concept design, we had come up with 4 different designs during brainstorming session among group mates. All of the design has been made by referring to the morphological chart. This is design 1, design 2, design 3, and design 4. All of the design has their own advantages and disadvantages. For the 4.5 design parameter and constraint, we had set several limitations to our product such as size and shape, rotation speed, battery capacity, material, thickness of flask, surface temperature and strength to make our product more portable for the daily use. From the figure above, we also can conclude that our product is a safety, economic and environmental product. Furthermore, our product also has reached the demand of sustainability. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faizul Fahmi bin Kamal Zaman. Today I want to talk about conceptual design. This chapter discusses how to make appropriate decision by using decision-making method called bar chart, weighted decision metric, and analytical hierarchy process or AHP. First is bar chart. Bar chart concept selection is a method for identifying the most promising design concept among the alternative generated bar method. Compare each concept to a reference or datum concept and determine whether the concept is better. We put the plus sign if worse than negative sign, or roughly the same, we put the S as the reference concept for each criterion. Second is weighted decision metric. It is a method of evaluating competing concepts by ranking the design criteria with weighted factor and scoring the degree to which each design concept meets the criteria. Finally, analytical hierarchy process or AHP is a popular and widely used method for multi-criteria decision making. AHP builds on the mathematical properties of matrices to make consistent pairwise comparison and getting the final rating method. That's all I want to say. Thank you.